Hi guys, this is Alam and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I gonna share you why somebody laugh at you, why you speak English, so you are going to speak your broken English. If there is like this problem, so don't worry. And in this video, I am going to tell you that how you can speak English without your broken English, and you can speak English better. So if you are new here, so do subscribe my channel and please make sure that if you are new, so hit the bell icon so you can get my notification of all video. So guys, if you are suffering from this problem, when you speak with broken English and some guy laughing at you, so don't worry, first I love you and face it, because in the life there is more problem, but problem is not permanent, but life is permanent, so you should face that. So when I was learning English, so that time I also speak with broken English, and there was no anybody to suggest me that how I can speak. But do you know one thing, when I was learning speaking English, so that time I improved my English by talking to some guy, and I watch some English movie, and I practice more with any guy. Where I go, I practice too much. And what topic I know? Do you know phrasal verb, advanced structure, tenses? It can make you to speak English better, but you will have to including in your English, and that which can make you perfect to speak English. So guys, don't worry if you speak. So you can speak, but you will have to follow some tips like what you will have to speak from any guy more. Where are you going? So that there you should think in English, and you should speak from any guy, because how much you will speak, so there would be improvement in your English. And do you know one thing, and speak with any guy. You can practice in your family, you can practice the person who are rusty, the person who is illiterate. So वह क्या है, अनपढ़ है, गंवार है, उसके सामने भी आप इंग्लिश बोल सकते हैं प्रैक्टिस टाइम में। ठीक है, उसके सामने बोलिए, प्रैक्टिस कीजिए, ताकि वो अभी समझ ना पाए, और धीरे धीरे बोलते बोलते जब आप इंग्लिश में इम्प्रूव होने लगे, तब आप क्या कर सकते हैं, तब आप इंग्लिश में किसी और मतलब जो जो इंग्लिश बोलता हो उसके सामने बोलने का कोशिश कीजिए। ठीक है, फर्स्ट टाइम, या it is not our mother tongue language, it is a secondary language, so it can be difficult to speak English. If you think that it is hard, and where I go I speak with broken English, so stop thinking like this. And if you go to in your school, so there when you will speak, so their student laugh at you, so avoid it, and face that problem, and think twist that what we have to do in our life, and how we have to improve our English. And after thinking, so doing like this, so you can speak English very fastly, quickly, and fluently. Okay guys, thanks for watching my video, and please like and subscribe my channel.